Hello and welcome everyone. If you are new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. Where to apply for front-end jobs as freshers, because in LinkedIn it is asking experience. Then where should I apply for freshers? I want to do front-end development. Sai Kumar, this is a very big topic to be able to explain it in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay. There are two types of job markets. One is the job markets which you can see, okay, where there is a job requirement which is published, and there is a job market which is hidden job market. Okay, and this hidden job market, 80% of job market is the hidden job market. And to find jobs in this hidden job market, you have to go through referrals, you have to tap into the hidden job market, you have to find companies where they are hiring. Okay, if some company is hiring 1 or 2 years experienced people, you can apply as a fresher. Okay, uh, search for terms like walk-in interviews for software developers. Okay, search for terms like online walk-in for freshers. Okay, don't just look at LinkedIn. Look at LinkedIn, Naukri, Monster, and a lot of different places. Go to company websites and check their career pages, and on the career pages check if they have a place where freshers can apply. Like at present TCS is hiring like 40-50,000 engineers. TCS has already declared that they are going to take the next round of NQT. NQT is their national qualifier test. So go to the TCS website, find out if you are eligible for NQT, and then apply for that NQT test, give the test, prepare for that test, give that test. So you'll come to know. In same manner as TCS NQT, there will be different tests for different companies like Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, Capgemini, all of them. Okay, so go to the career pages of companies and start looking at that, and then see whether they have a requirement for freshers and start applying to that. Is that okay, Sai Kumar? If you start doing that, in another 30 to 60 days, you will have a job in hand. Okay, you will have an offer in hand. Um, I'm going to release a video very soon, tomorrow or day after, about the great the great resignation. Okay, it's a very interesting period in the world where a lot of people are leaving their jobs. And what does it mean for people who are searching for jobs? It means a lot of companies are hiring people, correct? If 10 lakh people are leaving their job, in return, companies are going to look for 10 lakh people. Okay, and yes, out of that 10 lakh people, maybe 9 lakh will be experienced people, but there will be at least more than 1 lakh who will be freshers. Okay, or even more than 1 lakh, there will be 2 lakh, 3 lakh, we don't know how many. Okay, so make sure that you search for it, and it is easier to search for internship. Okay, if you don't uh, and yes, if you don't know how to find these jobs, then I have created a Facebook group called Career Seekers. Okay, the link will be in the description of this video. But if you go to the Career Seekers group, you have to answer 3 questions. If you answer the 3 questions, you will be in the group, and there I am going to talk about a workshop that I'm going to do. Okay, this workshop will be a paid workshop, but in that workshop I'm going to teach you how to tap into this hidden job market, not the job market where everybody is applying, but this hidden job market where, one, you get a job within a short period of time, You get a job which you want to do. Second is you get a job where you can expect a good compensation. Okay, because the hidden job market has a very good compensation. Okay, the visible job market, because opposite of hidden is visible, the visible job market where people are advertising about their requirements, there you will get an average salary. Why? Because they attract a lot of candidates. They will attract a number of candidates. Is that okay? Friends, all of you who are still watching this video, okay, like this video. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. You can come on next Thursday and join me live. Thank you very much. See you in the next live.